Fighting in war-torn countries, Army life is rough and tough on bodies. With the weight of the equipment, the lack of sleep, high stress, poor eating habits, soldiers returning home have to deal with it all. And the added cost at the VA is picked up by the taxpayers. But is there another way around this? What can we do to decrease the pain and the expense? Well, we've got the first female general to serve in Iraq and Afghanistan. She is retired now, Brigadier General Becky Halstead, and she is here to explain the mission. And General, I believe I said your last name correct, did I not?
You said it correct, yes, sir.
Excellent. I wouldn't want to have to drop and give you 40. So you're speaking with a group of chiropractors today, I understand.
Yes, sir, I am. I'm going to be speaking to them about leadership and also about the importance of chiropractic care for being a full benefit for all of our military men and women.
I have never heard this subject before.
Well, you know, I don't know why you haven't heard of it before. I've gone to a chiropractor for several years. I was diagnosed with chronic fibromyalgia, and when I retired from the military, what I did not realize was that, in fact, it was supposed to be a full benefit for military men and women. But, in fact, chiropractic care wasn't available at all of our clinics. And so when the foundation asked if I would be a spokesperson for the Foundation for Chiropractic Progress, I said I would be more than thrilled to do that and tell my story, because chiropractic care made a huge difference for me. I had served in Iraq for a year, was a commanding general in Iraq. And I just want to say for the record, I wasn't the first female general to serve in Iraq or Afghanistan. I was the first female to command soldiers in Iraq, and there's a little bit of a difference, and I just want to make sure that that's clear so I don't...
Yeah, we pulled that off your press release, so that's good to know.
Well, I don't want to shun any of my other fellow generals.
Absolutely. Let me ask you this. As far as serving today in the Army, the concept of the modern Army today, you would think that everything is lighter, more compact. The gear is not as heavy as, let's compare it to Vietnam or World War II. Is that true?
You know, I don't know that I would say that it's lighter. I would say it's definitely more lethal. Mm-hmm. We are far more protected, which gives great confidence to our soldiers. But, you know, I weigh about 110, and probably with all my full combat gear on, you know, I was pushing close to 170.
Wow.
You know, because it's, you know, bulletproof vest, your Kevlar helmet, your weapon. And we tend to add more and more to the soldier to protect the soldier. And we understand that, and we of course appreciate that. But what it does is it takes a great toll on your spine, on your muscles. And, you know, you know, a chiropractor, if I walk into my office of my doctoral chiropractic, I will always come out of there feeling better. Mm-hmm. I can't say that about other doctors that I go to see.
Right.
I mean, I do feel good that they might have diagnosed what's wrong, but I find immediate relief with adjustments, with the whole wellness approach, and our military is about readiness.
Yeah.
And so, you know.
Well, it's an important subject. General, thank you so much for coming in today.
Thank you for allowing me to speak on behalf of our soldiers.
Sure, and through your efforts, maybe some changes will be made.
I hope so. Thank you very much.
All right, you're welcome. Margie?
All right, John, thank you. Well, Halloween